Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to view all the music you've added to your profile in Facebook. Whether you're a music enthusiast or simply want to showcase your favorite tunes, this full guide will help you navigate through the process. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Facebook app, head to the Play Store. In the search bar, type Facebook and hit enter. Step 2. Look for the white F logo on a white background. Tap on it, and then select Install to download the app. Step 3. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account. Step 4. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 5. Locate the gear icon next to the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner. Tap on it. Step 6. Scroll down to the Your Information section and tap on Access Your Information. Step 7. Tap on Personal Information and then select See More. Step 8. Within the Personal Information section, tap on Your Music under the Profile Information. By following these 8 simple steps, you'll be able to view all the music you've added to your Facebook profile. This feature allows you to share your musical tastes and preferences with your friends and connections, creating opportunities for music discussions and discovering new songs. With Facebook's music feature, you can create a personalized playlist that reflects your unique taste in music. Showcase your favorite artists, albums, and tracks to let others experience your musical world. Whether you're a musician, music lover, or simply want to connect with others through shared musical interests, viewing your added music on Facebook is a fantastic way to express yourself and engage with like-minded individuals. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for more exciting content.